Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to diagnose your, do a quick diagnosis on the carburetor of your Honda 3-in-1 system lawnmower. I already tested this, I know this is a carburetor. There's three things that these things need to run. They need fuel, spark, and compression. What I'm going to show you is going to bypass the fuel, and it'll let you know that you've got spark and compression. If it fires up and shuts down, that means you've got spark and compression, but you got a bad fuel issue. And that's how you know to do the carburetor, which will be the next video on this. It would be me doing the carburetor on this lawnmower. If it doesn't fire up, then you need to check your spark plug, check to see if you got spark, check your compression, stuff like that. But we're going to do the carburetor diagnostic right now. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the air filter off of this. You want to check the air filter, make sure it's clean. Sometimes these are clogged full and solid, and that could be the issue, is it's not getting any air, which is half of your fuel. Air, yes. That's clean enough, that's not it. Then we're going to take a can of car cleaner or brake cleaner. You can even take a splash of gas, it doesn't matter. And you're going to go right in here, come over here. You're going to go right in this hole right here, and you're just going to give it a little squirt, just like that. Squeeze the handle. You need to make sure the handle's pulling the on and off properly. It starts up, it shuts off. That means that it's a fuel issue. It's got compression, it's got spark. Your problem is carburetor. So that's pretty much it. Real quick diagnostic on it. Again, if you put too much fuel in there, it won't start either. You'll have to pull it over a bunch of times, like if you put too much carb cleaner. Sometimes you'll even want to, if it's, if you check your plug and it's wet, but it's got spark, this choke flap right here, you may want to put like a screwdriver in there to hold it open and then pull it over a bunch of times. It may be just flooding, and that could be the issue. Rinse your spark plug, dry it, with carb cleaner, let it dry, put it back in, and it may fire up, and it may even run. But this one is carburetor. That's going to be the next video. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Today's t-shirt will be in the description below. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Send me some t-shirts and some stuff. Peace.